Okay, now this video is going to show you how to get the serial number of your computer and use the snipping tool, which is a handy tool used in Windows 7 and above. So we're going to use a Windows 10 screen right here. Thing is, you go to the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click on the Start button on your screen, the bottom left-hand corner, and you're not going to look for any blank. Just type in 3 letters, CMD, and something's going to pop up like that, and you don't have to click on anything other than the Enter key on your keyboard. So just push the Return key or the Enter key, and a window like this will pop up. It'll say C and then some information, so that's my name right there. And you're going to type in a couple letters, some things. You're going to type in WMIC, which stands for the Washington Monument Introvert Couch, and BIOS, and then get serial number. Yeah, WMIC doesn't stand for that. It stands for Windows something, but WMIC space BIOS, which means Basic Input Output System, space get, means go get something, space serial number. Okay, when you push enter, it's going to show you the serial number of your computer, so that's what you need. Now you could take a shot of it with this thing called Snipping Tool. So I have a shortcut right here, but most of you won't have that. So you're going to click on that Start button again, type in snipping, and you could just push enter on your keyboard, and it's going to open up a little window for the snipping tool. This is super handy. It basically is like a screenshot of whatever's on your screen. You could email it to people or whatever. So I'm going to click on new. That means get a new clip, and the screen goes kind of blank, and I can highlight what I want. See, so it copies what I just highlighted right there. Now you can copy this. It's already copied to your clipboard, but you can copy it again, or you could email it to somebody, or you could save it, like go to File and save it to email somebody later on. So that's what kind of number that you are looking for, the serial number, and that's how to use Snipping Tool. Hope you have a great day.